This is how you enable the auto lock function on your Kwikset Smart Code 270. Your program button is on the back. You click it and let it go. Then you hit 9, and then you hit the check mark. That enables your auto lock function for 30 seconds. So we'll just wait here until that happens. 30 seconds is only a long time when you're waiting on it, I swear. Dun 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 dun. Any second now. There we go. Auto locked. Beautiful. Now you'll see on page 19 of the programming guide that you can change it to 1 minute. So you got 30 seconds, 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, and 5 minutes. So we're gonna do 1 minute here. I hit the program button on the back, and then 8, check, 2, check. After 1 minute, it will auto lock. I'm not gonna hold you guys up here for 1 full minute, but that's just to show you the difference. When you initially do it, program 9, check, that enables it for 30 seconds right off the bat. If you want to change it to 5 minutes, 3, so program 8, check, 3, check. It's in the programming guide. Or you can go to Kwikset.com and go to products, and then go to electronic and smart locks, and then go to electronic locks, and then find Smart Code 270. If you click on Smart Code 270 and then click on support, once you get to the Smart Code 270's actual page, click on support, it'll take you down to the installation guide. On page 19 of the installation guide is all your programming instructions. If you have any more questions, just give me a comment and I'll reply to it and see what I can do to help you out. Okay? All righty. Oh, there we go. 1 minute. All righty. Bye.